Okay, hello. My name is Sokri, representing Cambodian. Today, cooking tutorial. I'm gonna make khmai fried fish with all these ingredients. We got green onion, jalapeno, fresh tomato, ginger, and then you got your garlic. And over here we got the ingredients, which is black pepper, salt, uh, hoisin sauce, fish sauce, rice flour. You can get this from your local Asian supermarket near you. And of course, last but not least, MSG right here. Stay tuned, y'all. So I'm gonna chop some ginger right here. Just want it real fine, thin, probably like a 1 or 2 centimeter. Like that. But this is like one of the main ingredient for this dish, so just real fine chop. You guys never tried this Cambodian dish, huh? Well, just put it this way, it's Bombay. Sure gonna hit the spot. And then here's your tomato. You don't want this, so you just dispose of it. Real thin too. Trash. Mr. Miyagi, Danielson. Trash. Here you go. Now I'm gonna do some minced garlic. That's all you gotta do. Smash it. There you go. Take this off. Easy peel it. It's my style. And then all you want to do, just chop it real fine, small pieces. Chop, chop, chop.
Okay.
There you go, folks. Check that out. Okay. Make sure you put some vegetable oil. First thing you want to do, put in your chopped garlic. And then your chopped tomatoes. Put on high heat. Just want to cook it for like a good 3 to 5 minutes, give or take. Like, voila. It'd be a lot better if you have that tomato sauce in the can, but I like mine fresh, you know what I mean? And then, you want some of this sauce. Hussein sauce. A little bit of fish sauce, not a whole lot. Just like a good 2 teaspoons. Salt, just a little splash. That's it. MSG, half a teaspoon. And of course, black pepper. Mix it up. Chopped ginger. Your green, you want this last. Stir it up. This is gonna be the sauce for the fish you just pour on top. Plus I got a little bit of shrimp too, so. You don't want to overcook it. Here go your greens. Jalapeno green onion. Swoop. just let it chill for like a minute or two. Stir it up. Be patient. It's that Campbell sauce. I want to add some more of this. Like I said, you could find this at your local Asian superstore, or you go Walmart. They got it up in the Asian section too. And last but not least, rice flour, baby. You just want to add this so that way you could thicken the sauce. You don't want to hold too much. And turn the heat off. Stir it up. Ooh, look at all these snowflakes. You guys want to see the finished product? Here we go. Finished product. Your Cambodian sauce. And after that, you grab your fish. It's already pre-cooked, so deep fry, and then your shrimp. All you gotta do, just bam, there you go. Yeah, just cover all that right there. Yes, look at that. Not done yet. What you want to do next? Bake it in the oven for, I don't know, good 20 minutes, 275. And you just gotta wait.